Drawing line graphs. You will need a ruler, a sharp pencil, and a piece of graph paper. We're going to plot this results table drawing our graph. To make my graph stand out a little bit more easily, I'm going to use felt tip pens rather than a pencil. So the first thing we do using our ruler is draw a set of axes using the grid lines. So my y-axis, which goes down like the Y's tail, and my x-axis, which goes across the bottom. And I'm just going to put some little scale markers on the axes, equal distances apart, ready to put my scale onto. So the next thing I need to do is I need to label my axes. So the independent variable found in the left-hand column of a results table always goes on the x-axis. So I'm going to write time and the units in minutes. My dependent variable found in the right-hand column goes up the y-axis, the thing that I'm measuring, and that's the distance travelled. And again, always putting my units, meters in brackets. Then I need to put an appropriate scale. So for time, I need to go from 0 to 27. And I need to go up in even jumps. I'm going to go up in 3s. And then for distance travelled, I need to get up to 8 is my highest number. So I've got lots of space here, so I'm going to go up in 1s. Next, I need to plot my points. This is a line graph, remember, so I'm going to start by using some x's. So the first one is 0, 0. The second one, time, is 3. The distance travelled is 2. So along 3 and up 2. Then 6 and 2. Then 11. Now 9 to 12. So 11 is going to be a third of the way along. And 8. I need to move this out of the way. So that's going to be here. Then 18 and 8, 21 and 0, back down here, and 27 and 4. Now, because this is a line graph, I'm going to join these points up with a ruler. If this was a scatter graph, I'd do a line or curve of best fit. So using my ruler, I'm aiming for the middle of the x's. There we go. The only thing my graph is missing is an appropriate title. So, a graph to show how the independent variable, I'm going to put amount of time so it reads better, amount of time affects the dependent variable, which is distance travelled. And I'll underline that with my ruler too. And there we have a nice clear line graph. Now you have a go.